In this video, we are going to see how we can delete our Roblox account. So we are going to see two methods on our PC, whether you want to delete the Roblox account permanently or you want to deactivate for a temporary period of time just because you are planning to take a break from it. Here's how you can do it both on a computer. So what we do is, first of all, log into the browser with your ID. And once we are logged in, we will head over to the settings gear icon on the right hand corner and hit settings. Now here we will choose privacy and content restrictions. Click on that. And here at the bottom, we will see this account deactivation or deletion. We click on that. And here we have the option of deactivating the account. It says deactivate your account is reversible. While deactivating, your profile may be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. So if you want to just temporarily delete it, you can hit deactivate and it should be deactivated for the time being. So when we click on this, you will see this all details about it. That deactivate account will hide your profile if you still have access to Roblox and all of these things. However, you want to permanently delete your Roblox account, you need to contact Roblox support for it. So if you want to deactivate for the timing, you can just go ahead and click on deactivate. However, if you want to permanently delete it, what you do is you head over to Roblox and instead of home, just write here support next to it in the URL, just like so. And it will show you the contact username. So we need to fill in this form. We enter the first name, we enter the email address. Now email address is compulsory, but username and first name is optional. And the issue details is we need to do it for the PC, and we basically want to delete my account, and I want to delete my account. You just write about it and you hit continue, and then Roblox team will contact you within 24 to 48 hours and will assist you further after asking for some of the verification to make sure that you are the sole owner of this account. And after that, they will assist you or deactivate your account themselves. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.